Welcome to 14322 Bayou Terrace Drive. This beautiful open floor plan home on the Diversion Canal with gorgeous views is situated between two lots. As you enter the front entryway of this traditional style home, you'll notice the dark cherrywood hardwood flooring that flows throughout the home. This open space opens up into a large living room area, which is great for entertaining guests. You'll also notice the large bay of windows, which lets you enjoy the beautiful views of the river. As you enter the kitchen area, you'll notice a small seating area and also a breakfast bar. The kitchen features slab granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, recessed lights and custom painted cabinetry. Downstairs has additional bedrooms separated from the master. Each bedroom has custom paint, crown moldings, wood flooring and mounted ceiling fans. The galley-style downstairs bathroom has cool beige ceramic tiling and a tub shower combination painted in cool blue. As you head upstairs, you enter the master bedroom. With tall ceilings, crown moldings, wall-to-wall carpet, a mounted ceiling fan and an ensuite master bathroom. The master bathroom features dark stained cabinetry, double vanity sinks, a standalone soaking tub and a standalone glass in-case shower. Off from the master bedroom is an entry to a covered porched area that overlooks the beautiful views of the Diversion Canal, and you will spend lots of morning here drinking your morning coffee. If you're worried about storage, there is more than enough here. It goes on and on. And there is additional storage in the attic as well. Heading back downstairs onto the back porch, you'll have more beautiful views of the Diversion Canal, and this home is located in a no-wake zone. You also have 160 feet of water frontage, a boat slip and a saltwater Gunite Pool. Living at 14322 Bayou Terrace Drive on the Diversion Canal with its beautiful surroundings will always feel like a vacation. And this home is ready for your private showing today.